Plasti dip, also known as rubber dip, is an easy and affordable way to change the look of your car emblems and grille. There are simple methods to rubber dip your car emblems and grille. Dawn dishwashing liquid soap helps remove grease, dirt, and grime from your car emblems and grille. First, take a bucket and fill it halfway with water. Then, add some Dawn dishwashing liquid soap to it. Wash your car emblems and grille with soapy water to remove dirt and grime. Then, use a microfiber cloth to clean the area further, removing dust, dirt, and grease. This step helps the rubber dip stick better and gives a smooth finish. Make sure the emblems and grille are completely dry before moving on. Next, use clean cotton buds to gently wipe small areas where dirt may be stuck, especially in corners that a cloth cannot reach. A clean, dry surface will help the rubber dip stick well and last longer. After cleaning, apply masking tape around the emblems and grille to protect your car's paint from overspray. Leave a small space around the edges so the rubber dip can form a clean peel line later. Now, take the rubber dip black rim kit spray and thoroughly shake the can. Spray the rubber dip evenly over the emblems and grille, holding the can about 6 to 8 inches away. Apply light coats and let each coat dry before adding the next. After applying 4 to 6 coats, let the final coat dry completely. Once the final coat is still a little wet, carefully remove the masking tape. Removing the tape while wet helps create clean edges and prevents the rubber dip from peeling in the wrong places. Pull the tape off slowly and gently for the best results. Use a toothpick to carefully clean dirt and dust from small gaps in the emblem and grille. This helps reach spots a cloth cannot clean. Keeping these areas clean helps the rubber dip stick better and look smooth. Finally, gently wipe the emblems and grille with a clean microfiber cloth to remove any dust or extra spray residue. Now you can see your car emblems and grille are clean, shiny, and look like new. To rubber dip the grille, wipe it properly with a microfiber cloth. Then, apply masking tape and newspaper around all sides of the car grille to protect the paint. Next, spray rubber dip evenly on the grille to give it a fresh look. Let it sit for 15 minutes to dry. Once it is dry, apply more coats of rubber dip for a smoother finish. After the final coat has dried, carefully remove the newspaper and tape. Now you can see your car grille looks clean, shiny, and like new. So, by applying these effective methods and using the right products, you can easily rubber dip your car emblems and grille.